turned vlogger. So if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and always remember, Rubeinspired! Nag-makeup kasi wala po tayo sa mood ngayon na mag-makeup dahil excited na akong buksan ang isang dagdag sa ating vlogging setup. But before that, I would like to share with you how I started vlogging. Well, way back 2017, after I have been in a workshop for filmmaking, ako nagsimulang mag-edit ng videos, and I only have this phone with me. I go to places with my friends and shoot a film, create a story, make a short film featuring those places. In 2017, I was still afraid to face the camera and say hi. Like, it's so awkward, you know. So after that, I tried vlogging in 2019. One of the Ilonggo vloggers told me that there is already a community of vloggers here in Iloilo, and thanks to you, Ilonggo Dad, I formalized my channel as a vlogging channel. But before you think of having all the equipments to jumpstart your vlogging career or how to become a vlogger, make sure that you prepared yourself to be a vlogger. So let's get to the meaty gritty part of this vlog. I'll be showing you my vlogging setup when I started. So once again, this is my phone, Nokia Lumia, but it left me December 2018. Then now, I am using iPhone 6. That's the one I'm using right now. So, nung namatay ito, nung November, timing na bumili yung mother ko ng phone. And she knew that this died. So, she gave her phone to me. Thanks, Nonoy! Then, I got this monopod from a raffle. Hello, Oppo boys. If you could still remember me. Nagpa-raffle kasi yung Oppo. Actually, hindi siya raffle. Nagpa-game sila. So, sabi, from the audience who wants to play the game for the prizes, just go up the stage. Siyempre, alam niyo naman, kontisera, umakyat ako sa stage. And yung game lang naman, pahaba-haba ng hininga. Of course, siyempre, nanalo! So, this is my first ever monopod that I have. So, when I started my film blog in 2017, I'll link down below what our story is about. It's entitled SUBA. I'm with my friend who accompanied me in my first episode of Hello, Miss B! Frolin Brilliant! I got this and my phone. And ang funny pa, kay, syempre, monopod siya, diba? And kung makita niyo sa amon shot, okay, I'm speaking Hiligay na now. So if you will see in our shots na it seems like somebody's taking a video of us. It's actually, I got my backpack. I just placed my monopod inside my backpack, zippered it, and placed it beside the plant box. So that's my vlogging setup. Ta-da! So basically, I did not spend any cent, because I just won this, and I got this phone for almost 3 years. This is actually my mother's phone also. Kasi yan, nasira din yung dati kong phone, so binigay niya ito sa akin. And yeah, I love my nanay so much. He's very supportive. Yan. Then, sabi ko, I think kailangan ko ng mag-tripod. Actually, sa bahay ng pinsan ko at nakita ko to. This is Radio Shack. It's actually free for sa digicam niya. So, I asked him if he would still be needing this one. And hindi naman niya ginagamit. So, binigay niya sa akin. So, that's another savings, darling. So, I got my tripod. But the problem is, since this is for the digicam, I can't place my phone on it. So, I tried to, kita nyo, scotch tape. So, ganon. Scotch tape lang, diba? DIY, ganon. That. Pero, sabi ko, okay, I'm earning naman. So, let's try to go out and buy a decent phone holder. So, nag-ikot ako sa buong Iloilo and I found the cheapest monopod being sold. And there I found this one. This only cost 120 pesos. And during that time, 20% discount pa siya. So, imagine, may 20% discount tayo sa 120 pesos na monopod. In other stores, they sell monopods at a cost of 150 or 180. Others, actually, pag tripod, 350 pesos. So, eto na yung pinakamurang nahanap ko. And I'm actually not using the stick. I just took this phone holder and attach it in my tripod. That I got for free. So, how much have I spent already? It's 120 pesos less 20% discount. There. So this is my second setup. So this is my niece. She also wants to be a vlogger. Do you want to be a vlogger? Okay, so wash your face first so you could join me here. There. I got my second setup for my vlogging camera, and ta-da! Just this morning, my sister arrived. I asked her to buy me. Tan 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 tan. Yeah, you saw it earlier. Ta-da! A 3-axis handheld gimbal for smartphone. So, ayun. Habang binubuksan niya, may kasama din itong folder. But this is another item. Hindi siya kasama sa box. So, ito yung gimbal. The gimbal costs from 120 pesos to diba? Grabing upgrade. Ayun! There! Eto na siya! She got the wire! I got the set! See? And before we could use this, kailangan siyang i-charge for 5 hours. So, i-charge muna natin, pero let's try if my phone could fit. Oh no, wait. There! Ayun! So, mag-a-assume na ulit tayo na iPhone. Yung phone ng nanay ko ngayon, Nokia na ulit. Gusto kong kunin. Babalik ko sa kanya yung iPhone, tapos kukunin ko yung yung Nokia. Nagpaparinig. Hi, Nay! There! So, this is the phone! The gimbal. O, diba? So, i-charge muna natin. Then, I'll go back to you kung kamusta ba ang paggamit nito. And ayun pala yung box. Yung box niya, yung carrier. Ayun. Please hold. Thank you. Open the zipper, please. And there's the zipper. This is another item. And it costs, if we add both, it costs us like in there. So, ilalagay natin dyan. Ayun. Yun, pasok na pasok. There you go.
Okay,
And let's close it.
let's close natin.
And thank you very much. And there, we could bring it outside and on a road trip for our next vlog. So there you go. I'll go back to you after 5 hours. Bye! Okay, you go, girl. Yeah!
Pwede sila. Pwede damo dito. Damo basura.
Yes, I'm back! And there you've seen how this gimbal works. And I would like to show you. So this is the phone of my mother. It's already Android 1. Mine is Windows. Yeah, Windows na lumya. And actually, after my phone died, I stopped writing, I stopped shooting, I stopped filming for almost around 3 months. Akong tumigil. So, medyo clingy kasi pag na-attach, mahirap nang bumitaw. Alright! But at least now I'm back to back to back to back! Kaya, speaking of back to back, abangan nyo on my upcoming vlogs, upcoming updates on my vlogging upgrade. Thank you for watching! Until my next vlog. Bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong channel. Yan ang panginahulog mo. Pinuta ng subscribe button. Pati yung galay. Kag hindi pagkadim